What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Squirrel's Den. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot of videos lately. Just when I decide to make daily videos, I start doing overtime at work, you know. Fun stuff. Yeah, so I finally got some new Dragon Ball product to open for the channel. It's not a box, but it is 4 Supreme Rivalry Premium Pack Set 4. Cool promos, yeah. Let's get cracking and see if we get anything good. Like little booster packs or boxes, right? Mini booster boxes. Okay, let's check out these promos first off. That worked horribly. There we go. All right, so these promos look sick. It's that flat foiling. It's not textured. Very interesting. The Dark Empire Strikes Back. Huh. Interesting. No lawsuit there, right? Oh, it's just 2 of the same promo. Shit. I thought I had 2 different promos. I'm dumb. Okay, cool. It says with Dark Dragon Ball. You see that? With Dark Dragon Ball promo cards. Is this a Dragon Ball? I guess it is. This gains Dragon Ball in all areas. Yeah, okay. The death of tournaments, you know, I haven't played a lot lately. Haven't been able to open many packs either. Anyways, it was a dumb moment on my part. It's all good. Guess I'll have an extra set of promos. Let's get cracking here. Terrified Realization. Ooh. Oh, nice. Unison Uncommon. That looks sick. I love that artwork. That's cool. Then we got a common. Does that mean we got a foil? Huh. Check out that ball. That's what we're going to look at. Anyway. Yep, we did. We got us a foil common leader. That's cool. Bojack. Sub-Generator Unbound. And we got an SR. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. SR Unison. Demigra. Momentary Ally. Okay. Liking it so far. Yeah. Okay. That's just sad artwork. Common, another uncommon. What am I doing here? Let's put the foil with the rare. Okay, there we go. And skimming back. Oh look, there's the non-foil. We got a rare foil, Royal Supremacy. And we got a rare non-foil. Okay. And that actually looks really good. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see all the like foil in one shot there, but it's pretty cool looking. They're doing good with these foils. Hopefully they don't curl. Oh, there's that Dark Dragon again. It's a dragon. We got 3 uncommons. Ooh, man. Love that artwork. It's cool stuff. Skip into the back. Oh, okay. Wait, what? We got 3 uncommons and still got a foil uncommon. Weird. Okay. And then our rare. Zenga. Oh, that goes there. Okay, now I'm just confused. It's all good. Uncommon. Okay. Then we got a rare foil, followed by a rare non-foil. Okay. That looks pretty good for a rare. Jeez. Bulma and Vegeta hanging out together. All right. That's pack 1. Or box 1, I guess. Box number 1. Gonna go ahead and open this for myself here. I'll leave the other two sealed for trades, I guess. Okay. I'm silly. I thought there was 2 different promos in there. I only needed to buy 2 of these. Oh well, they're still good, right? Plus they seem to be hard to find. I don't know. Okay, so we got 2 uncommons this time. Which means that we got a foil, right? Yep, foil common. Okay. And we got an SR SS2 Son Gohan Astonishing Strike. It only costs 10. That's all. Just 10. Whoa, what is with the... Whoa, is that part of the artwork? Crazy. There's like slashes. Can you see that? Yeah. I thought they were roller marks at first, but they're actually part of the artwork. That's so weird. Okay. Well, this one actually has a texture too. Weird. Okay. Anyway. These guys at Dragon Ball. Oh, sorry. Gotta separate these uncommons here. Doing all kinds of weird stuff with their foiling and their rarities. And oh yeah, there's my boy. Krillin. Energy Fortification. Dude, the artwork in this set is awesome. Then we just got a Vegeta. No one cares, right? You can't keep a good Krillin down, you know? 2 uncommons. And, ooh, man, that's a cool looking foil common. Chilled Space Pirate Captain. He's chilly chilled. Okay. And a rare Bujin. The Evil Doer. Evil Doer. That'll do her. Oh, that's interesting artwork too. Hope Abandoned. Doesn't look like he's laying on the ground dead. Anyway. Okay. Is that... What? No. Okay. Oh, there we go. Foil common, Demon God, Gravy. Needs to put some clothes on. Ugh. Ooh, Darkness Judgment. That's a cool looking rare. Okay, okay. Just set that up there. Two uncommons again. Looks like the top pack always has an SR in it. For some reason. Oh, we got... Hold on a second. Okay. So yeah, we got a foil common and a rare. Okay. Bojack, the Evil Doer. Interesting. So no SR in the top pack on that one. Hopefully we get an SR in this pack, right? Or this box, rather. Common. Two uncommons again. All right. And we got a foil common Son Goten. Fusion Renewed. It's cool looking. And a rare Android 19. Okay. Ooh, King Vegeta, that's cool. Two uncommons again. Jeez. So, oh, full art common foil. Man, look at that. Invasion of Child's Army. I love that. That looks awesome. Negate the attack, then play one Child's Army token, 10,000 power. Seems pretty good. Oh! And there's an SR. Heck yeah. The bad boy himself. Altering the Future. SS Trunks. Man, there's so much bling on this card. Okay, that's really cool looking. I'm not a Trunks fanboy myself, but that looks awesome. I like the Trunks with the coat too. Yeah. Okay, 2 uncommons again. It's gonna get shorter on uncommons. We got a foil Kid Trunks. Ooh, we got another SR. We got us a 2 SR box. Heck yeah. Man, that Majin Buu looks awesome. Light just doesn't, yeah, the flat foiling makes it hard to like see the textured gold part, but Majin Buu, Assault of the Agents of Destruction. Ooh, Agent of Destruction support. Heck yeah. All right, let's get cracking into this last box. Hopefully we still got some spice left. Oh no, the code. Now you know the code. I don't know. Okay. 2 uncommons again. And we got us a foil cooler. Oops. Dang it. Hold on, guys. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Sorry. Foil cooler. All right. And another SR. Son Goku, Allies in the Heart. Because groove is in the heart. Oh, anyway. All right, we're gonna hit at least 1 SR in every box. Very nice. That looks cool. Salsa. Where's my chips? Oh, that Pan and Giru, that's cool. I really like that too. This set has some very nice artwork. And we still got a foil rare, Son Gohan, and Android 16. If my card would stop falling over, that'd be great. Stop it. Last 2 packs here. So far, pretty happy with what I've pulled, you know, getting the SRs all day long. We got a foil King Cold leader and a Bardock, a red one at that. Interesting. Okay, last pack. We're gonna get some spice here. 3 uncommons. It's not promising. We got a foil uncommon still though. That's cool. Trunks and the rare Toby. Cool. Cool. All in all, not bad. I haven't really read through a lot of the effects of this set, but the cards look really cool. And that Gohan's still tripping me out with those slashes through the artwork there. Yeah, anyway. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I know it's just a little short one. It's like a mini box. But yeah. Hopefully I'll have some more videos uploaded soonly, and I'll see you all next time.